if you're experiencing approval delays on Coinbase, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow this guide to help expedite the process. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Coinbase. Sometimes, they may require additional information or verification to process your approval. Step 2. Verify your identity. Ensure that your identity verification is complete. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the settings to confirm that all required documents have been submitted and approved. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Check if you have reached any transaction limits on your account. If you have exceeded these limits, it may cause delays. You can find this information in the account settings. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Coinbase customer support. Provide them with all relevant details about your account and the specific delay you're experiencing to expedite their response. Step 5. Monitor system status. Keep an eye on the Coinbase system status page. Sometimes, delays can be caused by system maintenance or outages. Knowing the status can help you understand if the delay is widespread. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Coinbase more efficiently. If issues continue, consider reaching out to the community forums for additional support.